Ooh, this feels really good. It's really curly. Hello, my lovelies. You are getting me all fresh today. No makeup. I do have my skincare on. That's why I look a little bit shiny. I look fresh. And my hair is still wet. Today's video, we are testing a new product from Amazon. New to me, but it's not new to the market. It is a bonnet that you attach your hair dryer to. This is the brand Glow by Day. I don't know if this is the original creator. It's on Amazon. It was roughly $21, Amazon Prime, rated really good. So really wanted to test it out and put it to the test with the Curlformers. I know they work. They're probably one of my favorite heatless style curl. Only gripe I have with them is how painful they are to sleep with. So basically for this video, I wanted to do kind of like a real-time thing of what I would do if I were to use these Curlformers with this bonnet. First, I would do the Curlformers, set them in my hair. I would put the bonnet over, turn on the hair dryer, and then do my makeup. And then hopefully by the time I'm finished my makeup, the curls will dry completely, set in place, and then I'm ready for the day. So I thought that would be a really good idea to see how well it works. Let's begin. I'm going to use a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is by Briogeo, their Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It's really good. I've been dabbing into the Briogeo products again, and I can see why I love them. I'm going to be using the orange and pink ones, which is a little bit more of a bigger curl instead of the blue or the green, just because they're very tight. And I do have my hook, but I broke it in half. So we're just gonna use a smaller part. Going to split my hair. I really hope I have enough of the Curlformers. So I think that was my issue last time also, I didn't have enough. All right, I'm gonna secure my hair. So this is not a tutorial on the Curlformers. If you guys wanna see that, I will link it right here and down below, so you guys can go watch it. I'm gonna do this very quickly. I need my long stick. That's what she said. All right, so I have only the shorter pieces left, so I'm gonna make it work. And what I'm gonna do is, since, I don't know what, but I'm just gonna see if I can get like a beachy wave out of this with the ends not curled. All right, so this is what the little bonnet looks like. When you turn it inside out, there's these little holes. And this looks very, very cheap, but basically it has holes all around the inside so the air will come through. So the bottom has this little, it's a little bit elasticy. Yeah, it's a little bit elasticy, and then it has like this little rubber piece around to make sure it sticks nice and tight to the hair dryer. So I think I'm just gonna use my Dyson, but let's see a couple of different ones. This is my T3. Take this off. Let's put this on. Oh yeah, nice and easy. And it looks like it's gonna stick on there pretty well with that little rubber like silicone piece. So you just slide it on. Okay, yeah, and it looks like it's not gonna go anywhere. So when you attach it, at the very end of the hose, it has these little holes just to make sure there's not too much pressure with the hair dryer. All right, let me put my Dyson in and see how that works. Ooh, I might need Andre's help with this. Oh, come on, you can do it. It's gonna be too small for the hole.
Yeah, you can put it on, but it's very tight.
Okay, ready?
It barely fits.
Ready? We got it around. A little bit of huffing and puffing. Like, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Like, it's pretty tight on there. And I can see right through it, which is good, into the hose. All right, so we attach that. Let's just put this around my head. This is a really good look. All right, so we have this drawstring. Oh yeah. Woo! I don't think I'm gonna be able to do my makeup with this. What was I thinking? I'm gonna turn it on, you guys. Ready? And it does say, use low setting on dryer for best results. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna do it on the lowest flow.
You
with the lowest heat setting. Do my makeup really quickly, and then when we'll come back, I will time it, how long it does to do my makeup, and hopefully the curls will set by the time I'm done. Ooh, this feels really good, actually. Whew. So it's been roughly 40 minutes. I wanted to take it a little bit slower with the makeup and kind of focus. So let's see if the hair is dry. I didn't touch it yet. I'm kind of scared. So basically what I found was even on the lowest heat setting, I had to completely turn it off on the Dyson because it just kept getting really hot within 5 minutes. So I turned it off without any heat. So basically just the airflow on the lowest airflow setting. So pretty much kind of like heatless, which is kind of cool. So let's take this off. Still feels wet. I do want to see if any of these bigger sections did dry off. It still feels damp even right here by the roots, even where it's not clamped. So let me just take one of the really big sections out. So I'm just gonna squeeze it and take it out. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's definitely still damp, but you guys see that? Within 40 minutes? That's not bad at all. Look at that. Okay. Wow. All right, so what I'm gonna do is gonna put this back in and just turn on the heat, the lowest heat setting for 15 minutes. I'm gonna time it, maybe even 20, and then cool shot it for another 5 to really set it in place, and let's see where we are. So I did an extra 15 minutes. So basically a total of 1 hour. So if it's not dry by now, I'm not gonna sit longer than that to wait for it to dry. All right, so I'm just gonna take the sections out and see basically what we can do with it. That's pretty. It's looking pretty good. Definitely feels better than from what I can remember when I slept with them in. It's really curly. Wow. What am I gonna do? Yeah, so far some of them feel really good. They feel almost dry. And then it's like the bigger sections, they feel a little bit damp. But honestly, I think they're pretty much dry, which is really awesome. And it's not painful. I don't have to sleep with them. That's the best part. And I actually would consider these heatless just because I was not using pretty much any heat on my hair because it literally burned if you applied heat with the hair dryer. So there we have it. It's successful, you guys. Okay, now I have to take it apart. So let's talk about the functionality of this. Is it easy to use? Is it comfortable? All of the above. It is great. I love this product. I think it's amazing. It fits just perfectly nice and tight around the Dyson. I showed you guys a regular hair dryer by T3. It does fit. It's a little bit smaller, so it does fit nice and snug. But I do like that it's really snug around the Dyson, so it's not going anywhere. I just set the Dyson right behind me in the chair. It didn't move anywhere. I moved my head around very easily, and it was not tugging on my hair whatsoever. It kept it nice and comfortable. It also was not loud. I was able to watch my show while doing makeup, so I could hear everything, and which is really great. It's not too uncomfortable. The only thing I do have to say, please be careful with the heat. I turned it on just to see how it would feel, how comfortable it would be. It would be too hot. And even on the lowest heat setting, which is very low, just because all of the heat is contained in the bonnet, which results with really hot, especially on the scalp, it kind of felt like it was burning and like peeling. It was really uncomfortable. So I just turned off the heat completely and kept it on the lowest setting with the airflow, and it was very comfortable. It felt really good actually on the hair, so that was really nice. Do I see myself using this besides the curls? I think so, especially if I'm doing some kind of deep conditioning mask. That would be really nice to kind of really get the masks penetrated into the hair, and it kind of feels like a massage. So I definitely do like this, and I think the quality of this for $21, it is on the cheaper end, but honestly, it's not too bad. Like I said, it looks cheap, but it does what it says it's going to do, and I am actually very impressed. And honestly, I think the Curlformers should be sold with a hair bonnet, just because they should not be recommending to sleep in these. It's so much faster, it's so much more efficient to put this on, put a hair bonnet on, turn on the lowest setting on your hair dryer, do your makeup, do your nails, get ready for the day, and you're off to go. I think that's great. Don't sleep in these, but bonnet wise, I'm impressed. So if you start seeing the Curlformers sold with a bonnet, you're welcome. That completes today's video. Let me know if there are any other products you guys want me to test out from Amazon. But for now, thank you so much for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you all very much. Bye.